Hey folks, good morning. Yeah, it is morning, but it ain't that good. Right behind me I got my Keurig 2.0 and it's not working. It just keeps pouring out water. And I'll show you one example of how this works. Alright, now this is something that has happened to me before, and I did as you are all doing right now, search in YouTube to find an answer. So here's what's going on. Right now it's off, it's plugged in. There's no cups in there. I have modded this one to allow me to use non-Keurig cups in here. So I've got another video and we'll show that in the show notes or somewhere. I might put a link here. I don't know how that works. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn it on. Oh, yeah, there we go. And instantly it starts puking out water. And it's cold water. And it's just going to keep doing that until the tank empties. You can stop it by shutting the power off. Let's try that one more time. Turn the power on. Turn the power on. And again, the water comes out. This has been probably 10 tries this morning. I've unplugged it for about 2 minutes, and then I unplugged it for about 10 minutes to see if that would reset. Did not work. And literally that'll go till the tank empties. So this is great because we can try it real time. Gotta get rid of my cup of cold water. Get rid of the little catch thing. Take out the tank, and I'm going to unplug this bad boy again. Now, I've done this before and it has worked. Whether it works today or not, I don't know. But we're going to try. I'll give you the real answer. Now, the hard part is doing this from a wheelchair is not the funnest. But I think I can make it work. Water is stored in here anywhere, but I'll take this thing upside down, a little water comes out, not too much. Here's my fix. That came out. That's okay. What do you think? Is that enough? One more time. Okay, let's plug it back in and see what happens. Yeah, all I wanted was a cup of coffee. Better get my cup under here just in case. I'm doing this because I can hardly reach the outlet. Okay, we're plugged back in. Okay, let's hope for the best. Turn it on. No, that didn't seem to work. And it quit because it has no water in there, I think. Let's open this up. Oh, actually, maybe it's heating up. So there's a lot of sunlight in here. It's going through its heating cycle. What happened last night is we had a power blip. The power was off for a couple, 3 seconds. It was a hard shutdown. The whole house went black. The neighborhood went black, and bang, it came back on. And of course, we didn't try this until this morning, and it didn't work. And that has happened before, and I've heard reports of that happening to other people too. I'll let that warm up here for a second. So that hard power outage, for some reason, or maybe it's when the power comes back on, messes with the electronics in here. Yeah, if this actually gets working. Okay, well, we're flashing. Make sure we got no water in here. I forgot, I gotta put this back in. Let's see here. And by the way, if your Keurig suddenly quits puncturing holes in here, either the top or the bottom, there's in the bottom of this tray, there's a little poker. This can actually break. The plastic around here can break. And you replace that. You can buy it on Amazon or somewhere. And you get this whole tray. Okay, that's in place. That's in place. It's taking a little bit because it lost a little water. No, something's not straight, it's dribbling. Yikes. That's never happened before. So something's out of place. We'll take a look and see if we can figure that out. Man, I really didn't expect that problem. But I'm just going to let it finish. I always put my coffee in a travel cup, so otherwise I spill too much. Okay, we're going to open this up. Gosh, it should be in place. Better look in the sink and see if I lost any other parts. Oh, yeah, I did. There's a little catcher tray. I can figure that out. Does that go inside? All right, after beating my head on the wall for a little while, since I didn't take this out, I didn't know how to put it in, and it really seems like it would fit in that direction, but on the bottom is a little round part, that goes towards the front of the machine. It's really simple. Just stick it in, and it's got to go all the way down, and that's where your coffee comes out on the bottom. It should then allow you to put that back in. Put my tray in there. We're going to plug this in and give it another shot. Put my engine 2 cup under there. Gotta put my water back on. Turn the machine on. She goes. Now we're going to let it heat up again. But yeah, I couldn't see the sink to see that that tray had fallen out. Okay, let's heat it up. And there it is, working just like it's supposed to. Alright, so that's fixed. It's pretty easy. Truly, especially if you have had a power outage and a hard restart of your power, yeah, take the water tank off, unplug it, take the machine upside down over the sink preferably, bang it around a little bit and try it again. I'm not going to get into the inner workings of it to see why that happens, but it works. And there's proof right there. Oh yeah, got a nice cup of coffee in my Engine 2 mug. Enjoy.
So remember, women don't find you handsome. They should at least find you handy.
All right, to get that bottom tray out, just push underneath. And the little pour tray comes out. Let's put it back in. The round part goes to the front, folks. Yeah. That's all there is to it. So here's where it says Keurig 2.0, and that's the model of this particular machine. We're not going to talk about the other ones. I don't have any of the other ones right now, so this is it. Alright, so if that video helped you at all, give it a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. It helps with the numbers. You can also watch my other video where I hack this thing. It's really a simple process. I think just about 99% of the people can do to make this accept cups that are not actual K-cups. So you can use your universal cups if you want, and you can fill them yourself, which is a real money saver. So, that's it. Until next time.